Hi, I'm Dr. Arambulo again, and today is another patient who came back 7 months after your surgery.
Yes,
okay,
September.
that was September last year, and he's here for follow-up checkup. So I'm just happy to share how it turned out.
Really
And
happy.
what's your assessment from 1 to 10?
I give it an 11.
So
I'm really happy that I did
really
it. with
happy.
Dr.
And
Arambulo.
it's a good decision. He's very young, single, very available. So hair transplant talaga brings back the confidence in you as long as it's done properly. Okay, and so we're just so proud of the work that we do. First, syempre akong leader, di ba? And I have a very good team. And that is the reason we work with the same passion. We love the work. We love the hair. So that's why today I'm showing you your before, yes, the baseline, so that you'll appreciate it more. Okay, the public will understand there's a difference talaga, no? Sa mga hair transplant provider, kailangan magaling kasi
they know about it.
Your donor is limited. So, kailangan magamit ng tama, kailangan properly managed. Kasi we do not know you're young. It might be that depends on the predisposition mo to hair loss, we call androgenetic alopecia. If it's yung severe, you have in the family, most probably in the future, you'll encounter advanced. Hopefully not, no? But hopefully if it happens, since ako ang nagmamanage ng ng donor mo, he started with us with a virgin scalp donor. Ako lang gagamit. So I can assure you na can restore, okay, from front to crown area with 2 quality procedures. And he had his first session with us to build the frontal hairline. So we work on the frontal and the mid scalp. And this is the before. This is the donor. This is very precious yung donor niya. Kailangan ako lang gagawa niya para we don't know if it's in the future.
Only Doctora can touch my hair.
That's very good. So, again, this is the view of before. Ito talaga yung concern niya, yung frontal hairline lang niya. So, that's it. Ito yung pinaka-concern mo. Ayan. So, we mark, this is our design, and so that's his goal, and this is the design that you approved. Ni-rate nga niya kami from the scale of 1 to 10, 11. Ito yung design that he approved and for the first session, and now 7 months after, ito na yung result. Okay, so this is it. Pinagmamayabang ko is yung direction ng hair mo. Talaga nasa right direction and angle. Di ba? Very natural ang dating. Even the sides.
I'm really happy with the results. More than happy.